Alright, so today I went ahead and swapped out my CORSA Extreme for a Billy Boat PRT. I already did the swap. I'm doing this after the fact. Happy with the results, so stick around and see how they sound. Nice little comparison. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and take off the CORSA Extreme. Pretty straightforward. Axle back exhaust on the C5 and C6 is pretty simple. You have your two flanges up there. Right there. And the stock one doesn't have a brake in it, but the aftermarket ones do. So you're going to have one here and one here. And then your hangers are right there on both sides. And you do have to drop the sway bar on most exhausts too. And I think it's 6 total points you got to undo. I think they're I don't know, 16 or 17 millimeter, pretty big. So yeah, so sway bar, flange, clamp, and then it'll come out. So yeah, I'm gonna get them out, and then the guy I'm swapping with, which should be here in a couple hours, I'll throw it in, and then we'll do a sound comparison. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. All right, so the CORSA is off. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. My neighbors already think I'm an asshole, so this will just solidify it. Hopefully it sounds pretty cool. Hope that turned out well with the sound quality. It sounds like thunder. It's pretty fucking gnarly. Alright, let's get the Billy Boats on, and we'll do another sound comparison. Alright, here we go. Billy Boats installed, cold start. I just want to say I love the Corvette platform, how easy it is to change entire exhaust systems in like 25 minutes. So alright, let me shut up and start it. Alright, so initial reaction, definitely the sound I was looking for. So far, pretty happy. We'll go for a drive and we'll talk about it. I'm not sure if that was recording. I was just recording like 10 minutes and I think it just like fucked it up on me. So, what I was saying was, so far so good. Nice bass at low end, which is nice. Little rumble to it. High end, it's got a nice little scream to it. Perfect balance, in my opinion. So far, no regrets. Quick shout out to Brandon on the 757 LS group for doing the swap with me. I appreciate it. So I'm gonna come up here, do a quick pull, see how she do. You guys are having a good long weekend. It's starting to rain here. drive started. It's a lot of fun. So at highway speeds, I'm doing close to 70, and I'm talking just fine. The partition, I think, helps a lot. No real drone, which I was a little worried about, but so far so good. Liking the sound. Also, this Wednesday, I'm taking the vet up to Newport News here in Virginia to get it tuned by, I think, Horsepower Solutions. They have pretty good reviews. I've never been there, but from what I hear, they're pretty good. Bought the car with a few mods. I don't think it was ever tuned. It's running a little rich, so I'll get that taken care